Hi there, I'm just going to speak briefly on one of the most overlooked components of improving physical performance is not training, but restoration. A lot of people get training dialed in. Many people enjoy intense training and they're very dedicated to intense training. But without the same dedication to restoration, you're going to get minimal results. So what's restoration? Restoration is anything that helps you recover fully. The most important aspect of restoration is deep sleep. If you don't get 8 hours of deep sleep every night, you're not going to have optimal hormone production, testosterone and growth hormone in particular, and you're not going to improve insulin and leptin sensitivity. So deep sleep is number one. Without deep sleep, you're going to be in a rapidly aging state and you're not going to recover fully from training. Melatonin and magnesium about 30 minutes before bedtime help a lot with deep sleep. 2 milligrams melatonin and about 500 milligrams of magnesium or magnesium oil such as my recovery oil. Number two, getting a massage. If you can get a massage once a week, and I'm not talking about some Asian massage with a happy ending at 2 in the morning, I'm talking about a sports massage where they go in there and break up breaking up inflammation. So every time you work out, you create inflammation. And week after week, this accumulates and it can often lead to an injury or impaired progress. So if you get a massage once a week and at the bare minimum every other week, you'll find that you stay ahead of that inflammation threshold and you get better results from your training. I started getting massage once a week 5 years ago, 2014. I did it as a 90-day experiment. And I haven't stopped since because it's made such a big impact. If you find a really good therapist that understands the aspects of physical training, the needs of physical training, it's going to make a huge difference in your performance. And then engaging in restoration activities such as I like to go walking with my dogs a couple miles every day. Helps clear my head and it's a form of meditation for me. So that's very effective for quelling anxiety and also just improving blood flow and just de-stressing. Other forms of restoration activities include Tai Chi, Qigong, yoga. Those are all great. My friend Scott Shetler has great information on Tai Chi. My friend Steve Cotter has, not only is he a kettlebell expert, but he has great Qigong information. And both of these guys are very good at stress management and recovering from all of their intense activities. Steve Cotter in particular travels the world and he manages stress really well, teaching seminars as far as Asia and all over Europe. And then finally, I like to go to a spa such as the M Spa here in Henderson, just outside Las Vegas. I like to go sit in the hot tub and sauna, and I'll do about 10 minutes of each, cold plunge, and repeat several times. And this is a great way to just loosen up the body, relax the body fully. And I do this at the end of a training week. So if I train Tuesday through, let's say, Saturday, 5 workouts, I want to do the M Spa on a Sunday, let my body really relax, get a massage on Monday, and then come Tuesday, not only have I had 2 days off, but I've had 2 days of very active recovery. I've actually taken additional steps in addition to sleeping and eating properly to improve training performance. So get those things in your routine ASAP, and you'll find not only is your mood way better and your health improved, but your physical performance, whether it's weight training or marathons or sprinting, whatever you like to do, MMA training is going to be vastly improved. Check that out.